name is Alan Venables. I'm Managing Director and owner of Eaton Timber Solutions. Eaton Timber Solutions was created over 12 years ago with one thing in mind, and that was our customer. We wanted to give them a process where we could start at the very beginning, follow it through from design to manufacture and even installation if they require. So the work surface we manufacture out of many different materials. Again, this is always designed around what our customer wants. Sometimes they don't need something so hard wearing, so we will produce something that suits them. If they are wanting to do heavy work on their work surface, then we will produce a worktop that will cope with that level of work. So we will go to site, we will measure up, we will advise on the product which is best suited for them, and then we will design, even do renders so they can see what the finished product will look like, and then we will manufacture everything in our workshop to a point where all they have to do is assemble it. A big part of our business now is motorsport, but that then filters down to schools, colleges, and also other manufacturing businesses that need industrial work surface. The idea is that we deliver on time and in full, and we communicate with our customer on a regular basis to make sure that everything that is being done is to their satisfaction. So for any information or inquiries, please head to our website.